you need book A to Z. I'm going to show you this book. You need to buy this book. You can buy from don't buy the other wrong book. You must buy this book. If I click this one, it's going to be look like this. So you can buy from the WS Smith. If you buy, but if you have a time, you can buy from the eBay. It's going to be half the price. So you must buy this book, because you will be able to do the 25 marks questions with the help of this book. So when you get the book, I put my 3-4 videos then how you can learn 25 marks. Just click hashtag TFL test, then you will be able to find that video as well. So I want to show you this 25 marks question, how it's going to be look like. So it's going to be these kind of questions. Means what is grid reference and the page number of the bridge MNW10. So you're going to find these question in the book. So these question are not very hard. It's asking for the reference and the page number of the some roads, streets, and the hospital and the stations. And some question is about you need to find your directions. Means map reading skills. Means north, west, south. You need to find where is that. So just watch that video. I'm going to show you this 25 question how it's going to be look like. And it's only all these questions from the book. And the last 2 questions is little bit tricky. It's not tricky, is just easy as well. So this kind of question, and you to find start from here and you finish which road you're going to use it. So these 25 questions is very simple. It's not very hard, so don't worry about these questions, guys. Okay, now we're going to move to the important part, which is 25 marks. So when you're going to go to the exam, first do that question, route planning one. Do this question at the end, like you done the theory test. So it's going to be like this. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. At the bottom, you will be able to see number 1 question, 2 question. So you can skip any question. You can come back to any question. You can flag the question like if you done the theory test. It's going to be similar criteria in the in this test as well. So first you're gonna do that route planning, then you can come back to this question. Okay, we done now A to Z one. Now we're gonna come back to route planning question. Okay, so when you're gonna go to the route planning section, which is 75 marks, so this is going to be exactly this shape you're gonna get. So on the left hand side you can see is going to be the questions. You said draw the most direct route from Chelsea, a Beckman. Green mark means you're gonna start from the green and finish on red. So you must read this question, because one question is going to become that road is closed. Means one road could be closed. They just going to say over here. It's going to be 5 questions, these kind of. So to do this one, you can see start drawing. So to start drawing, you're going to click on start drawing. Then you will be able to draw the line. If you want to do undo, if you do mistake, you can undo. If you want to clear all, then you can clear all. So this is the brightness. If you click the brightness, it's going to be changed. The home. So this is going to be for a long question. Means you went away from the green point. You want to go to the green point back. Then you're going to click on the green home button. You're going to come back to the green point. So yeah, so start drawing. So I'm going to show you from my map. So this is going to be exact picture in the real exam. Now I'm going to show you the map, how you can draw the line. Yeah, so this is going to be same exactly route, like we start from the green and finish on red. So this kind of means you're gonna start from the green. So the button is different here, because we can't get the same button like in the TFL one, but I show you before, it's going to be exactly the same, but it's same picture. Road mapping is going to be same. So you're going to draw like this. You start from the green, you do planning. I just explained in my other videos how you can do that. So yeah, I'm going to complete this question quickly, but I want to show you this info is about topographical test. So this part is very, very important. This is 75 marks. So just focus on this one. Other A to Z I put, there's a one video the Uber put as well. So but I put 4 mock tests, A to Z one I'm talking about, free. You can just learn from there, but you must do this training with someone, or I provide training as well. You can see my number on the screen. So just follow the one way. This question is 10 marks. So it's going to be 5 question of route planning. Sometimes 6 come, sometimes 7 come. So if it's going to be 5 question, so 3 question is going to be 10 marks, other is going to be 15. So yeah, so it's going to be 75. So it depend on the questions. So one question is going to be, could be depend on the question. If it's longer, then it's going to be 20 marks. So they just divide like this. Some question 10 marks, some question 15, some is 10 marks. Okay, so this question is 10 marks. Our red is over here. So do planning. So like this. So you're gonna do the route planning in the exam like this. So but you must do training before, because there's a lot of tricky questions. So yeah, hope so you learn now how to what is a topographical test. So this is 100 marks, 16 marks, 60 marks is passing marks, and if you get 59 you still is going to be fail. So if you do route planning, or you can still pass it. So we provide training. I have 300 question route planning question. You can see on my screen, this is called mixed roads. If you open this folder, so there's a question all, and this all exam question, because I'm teaching more than a year. I gather these all questions from my students. If you want to do training with me, please do contact with me. So my rate is very flexible as well, and my time is flexible, and you can do training whenever you want to do it. I will connect this laptop to yours, so you can do practice. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hope so you have all the information about the topographical test now. So please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.